Happy Monday. Welcome or welcome back to the vloggy vlog. So I know we usually start on Sundays, but Sunday was crazy. We had a tornado at freaking 5 o'clock in the morning. Because we had a tornado, church was canceled because it was trees in the middle of the street and all of the extra stuff. And if you know anything about me, baby, once I am off my schedule, I'm off my schedule. So nothing was done yesterday. Nothing at all. Nothing at all was done yesterday, which means we got to get everything done today, and that's okay because it was a holiday anyway. Bars. Anyway, so we have to do a couple things, which is why we are dressed and ready to get out the house. So the first thing is we have to go by the school to grab my laptop because I was in such a rush to head out so that I can go on my cabin trip that I forgot my laptop. I need that so that I can do my lesson plans. Next, I'm gonna go to Ulta and grab everything that I needed, which I was happy that I waited because I got gift cards for my birthday. And then last, we're gonna go to Aldi to get the stuff that we need for lunch because, baby, I don't know if y'all have noticed, but baby, the girl is I hate those kale salads to my core. I hate them. However, baby, this said if you look, it's closing. This set used to be up here. It used to be up here and it would have this much skin where it did not close, but it is closing, which means, baby, you can kale salad me for the rest of my life if that's what I need, because I got to get fit for this wedding, child. I got to get fit for this wedding. Speaking of, we're gonna have a wedding rant in just probably a little bit later today because, baby, last night me and baby was talking and my head started hurting. I just went to sleep. So that will definitely be in this vlog somewhere. So just be aware, it is a wedding rant coming up. But anyway, I will pick you guys back up later. Oh, and we're gonna see if baby got a GoPro. So we're gonna see if the GoPro has some good footage, because I really don't like to carry around this camera because it is a little bit bulky, but I do still like the quality of it because my phone is iffy sometimes. So we're gonna see what the GoPro hits on too. So I'll pick y'all back up later. So I do have the camera that I was telling y'all that I want to try. He gave me his GoPro, so I do have it, but I realized we don't even have a memory card for this. So we just pulled up to Best Buy. I'm gonna take it inside the store and see if we can get a memory card, and then we'll play around with it. I'm also gonna look around, you know, they say if you want something, manifest it. So I'm gonna go ahead and look around, look at some computers, look at maybe some hard drives, so that I can start saving my stuff to it, you know, because we got goals here. We have goals here. So yeah, so let's go inside of Best Buy. So what we think? I don't even know what we look like. I don't even know if we in it. I don't even know it. Yeah, I don't know. But what you think? We gonna see, because this is way smaller than carrying around my phone or carrying around my big camera. So hopefully this is gas me. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get. Okay, so we are back from the Aldi run. I don't know if y'all were able to see footage. I'm not sure, because me and that camera, we was having it out a little bit. I gotta figure out some kinks, working out some kinks. I don't know. We're working on it. But we are back with our goodies from Aldi. So let's go ahead and get this all situated so that we can have a good start to the week. This feels like summer, before you make me feel so alive. Just be my lover, before you lead me to paradise. Through drought and famine, natural disaster, my baby has been around for me.
guess you wonder where I've been. I search to find the love within. I came back to let you know, got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
Happy Tuesday. So we are on the way to work. So today is kind of a long one. Meeting at work during the day. After work, I have a meeting after school. But after that, then I'm free. So I'll be done with work probably about 5 o'clock today. Anyway, I just wanted to pick up the camera, say hey, how y'all doing? And I hope y'all are having a productive Tuesday. See y'all later. Happy Wednesday. So I am on my way from work. Today was pretty good. Now I had 2 kind of hectic meetings today that I knew I was gonna have to do. However, I made it through. This week, 5, Kiwana 0. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. It has been a freaking week. Now, yeah, it has been a week. So what I am about to do is I'm about to remove this wig because it's so cute. It's so cute, but the side is giving Goki and that's bothering me. So I'm gonna remove it and try to reinstall it. Hopefully I can match his energy. I know it's not gonna be perfect, but hopefully I can match the energy. Once I do that, I'm gonna clean up my beauty room because it's a mess in here. And what I have realized is when my space is a mess, I'm a mess. So if I want to get back right, I gotta get my space right. Cause baby, hair crazy, eyelashes. I'm talking about at work, 2 just comes off. Luckily, one of the kids in there, but 2 just comes off. So yeah, we're gonna get ourselves together, and maybe if we can get ourselves together quick enough, we can maybe go on a little solo date tonight. Because I just feel like I need a little love. I need a little pampering. I need a little self-care because God, this week kicked my butt. Let's try to get it together. All right.
Hey, I thought it was all over.
What's up, Gochi? You know, it's been a little minute since you and I have had a chat. Has it really? Probably since, like, your last EP, All the Punches Go. I've been getting some calls. People are a little bit worried about you. And I know that I was kind of that outlet for you, so why don't you just tell me what's been going on?
Remember old dude in 2019, nice clean nigga did me dirtier than laundry. Took a scroll through his IG just to get a DM from him. I was so confused, what should she do? She didn't know about me and I didn't know about Sue. I opened up the messages and had to hit the Zoom. Turns out the girl was really I took these slip back till I slipped back, got my lick back, turned the nigga to a knick-knack. I moved on, dropped a couple of songs, and then I went and got signed. That was 2021.
Okay, I just feel like this is the perfect opportunity for us to just take a second and kind of unpack what's happened to you. You know, this guy cheated on you and...
Fuck it. Had to look at this, Bible record that. I'm making so much money, I'm all over the net. I'm moving so fast, no time to process it. No, I'm not in the game, but I'm always on set. Wristwatch, drip drop, label with the TikToks. Now I'm making TikTok music, what the fuck? I need a cleanse, need a detox, but we ain't got time to stop. The charts need us. Fast forward me, 2023. I'm stacking lots of cheese and making money. My grass is really green, and honestly, I can't even fucking have no more. This is a really dark time. I'm going through a lot.
By a lot, you mean drugs?
I wouldn't drugs. No, it's a natural one.
No, I'm not judging.
I'm not an addict.
I'm just saying.
I don't
You
think
wanna talk about it?
I mean, fuck, I like pills, I like drugs, I like getting money, I like strippers, I like to fuck, I like day drinking and day parties in Hollywood. I like doing Hollywood shit, Nordic Hollywood. What can I say? The shit works, it feels good, and my self-worth's at an all-time low. And just when it couldn't get worse, my ex crashed my place and destroyed all I own. Oopsie, made a oopsie, $100,000 oops made me loopy. I ain't a killer, but don't push me. Don't wanna have to turn a nigga guts into soup.
Whoa. Okay, Dochi. We don't want to revert back to our old ways, so we're gonna try a breathing exercise, okay? When I breathe, you breathe. All right? Let's breathe.
can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make bloody move. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Call you see. You know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club just to party. I'm there, I get paid to pee. I be in and out them banks so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months. What bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes. Don't let these hoes bother me.
Okay, so I kind of got caught up in the sauce. I was watching my shows and YouTube videos and all that stuff, and it forgot to press record on the rest of the stuff. But as you can see, I did get the hair back on. The lace is giving. It's giving. I knew what I was doing. Okay, clock it. But the face is sitting. Now I have to find me an outfit because I decided I'm just gonna take myself to the movies. I'm gonna go see the new Captain America movie. I haven't taken myself to the movies in a minute, so I'm gonna get dressed and I'll be back to show you the outfit with the full, you know, full glamiana.
They see pictures, they say ghosts. Bitch, I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill with some babe. I might just chill with some food. I might just spill on your bed. My pussy feel like a lake. He wanna sit with his face. I'm like, okay. I let him get what he want. He buy me East Saint Laurent and the new whip. When it go fast as a horse, I got the trunk in the front. I'm the hottest in the street. Know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes know it ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me. They baby father wanna.
Okay, so we are back from the movies, and I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Not a 10 out of 10 because, you know, I got my favorites. But it was a 9 out of 10. I like it. It was different because I feel like we are entering into a different kind of era of Marvel, and I'm here for it. It's definitely a black center, got a black lead. Love that a lot. Now I'm about to kind of get undressed and outfit, baby, honey. Yeah, outfit was doing it. I'm gonna get undressed, wind down, wrap my hair up and stuff, because tomorrow we are judging a pageant. I know. Who do I think I am? I don't know. At this point, whoever God tell me I am, that's who I am. I'm not second guessing anything. I'm not imposter syndrome. We don't know her. We do not know her. So wherever I'm supposed to be, whatever doors are being opened, I'm gonna walk through them because it is what it is. Happy Saturday. So today is pageant day. So I need 2 outfits. One kind of chill, so that I can put on during the interviews, and then I have to choose what outfit I want to go with for the actual pageant. I'm not gonna lie, I think I want to try this dress out, but this is the thing. I'm not wearing makeup to the interview. I'm just gonna go bareface. To the interview. So I want to do something that's cute, but it's not like I need to be dressed up to make the outfit. That's the dilemma that I'm in right now. So I am torn between this suit and this one. Honestly, I'm thinking this, but I have not worn this in a minute. So I'm gonna actually put it on, see how it fits, and if I don't like the way it fit, because it's been a minute, then I'll go with this one because I know how this one is gonna fit. I just know how everything's gonna work out with this one. So I'm gonna try this one on, and then we'll see where we go from there. Hear me out. I know. This was not even the one that I showed y'all in the closet, but then I thought about it. I was like, oh, that'd be a good little springtime look. I could throw in some nudie colors, you know, throw in some browns, because I love to throw in the brown on some child. Love that. But yeah, I think this is gonna work. I did try the brown suit first, and it just didn't. I didn't feel my best in it. Okay, so this is the look for the pageant tonight. I think, oh, baby, am I about to be in CSU after that? But I think, I think it came together. I do have on red shoes, so I probably could do a red purse, but I did have that same, what is it? Like a burgundy purse. I still have that one already. I'm not gonna change because my purse doesn't matter. And of course, gotta have on a jacket. Y'all already know what jacket I'm gonna put on, so don't even act surprised. Hold up. Because honey, she is gonna get what needs to be gave. She's gonna get what needs to be gave. And yeah, the purse, a little iffy, but I love it. I love it. And this is the final look. And honestly, I'm gonna go ahead and close the vlog out now because I don't even know how I can come back from this. I didn't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the vlog out now. If you have watched all the way to the end, go ahead and put, let's see. Oh, let's do it for the shoes. Do 3 red hearts in the comments if you made it all the way to the end. And I'm gonna see you again next week. Oh, and make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe.
Can we get it together?